Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get Calendly Plugin Key. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted with a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you don't have one, you can always go and register. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of videos on this topic. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we can see that we have the create button, and we also have the scheduled events, upgrade plan, and the admin center. And also in the top right corner, we have your name, as you can see, and everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get Calendly Plugin Key. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, how you can get the plugin key is pretty easy. So you can get the Outlook key by going and installing the Outlook desktop plugin, which you need to have. Of course, you have to have Outlook 2007 or later, or Windows XP or newer, for to get and download it. Then when you go and download it, you just need to go click on the store icon on the Outlook ribbon within your email client, or visit the Microsoft App Store. Next, search for Calendly and select it now from the listing page, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. And guys, as this really helps us grow our channel, so if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.